Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave Presentations. Today we are going to talk about Vastu Sastra, that is the fundamentals of Vastu Sastra. This presentation is made with the guidelines of various articles by different authors and also the collection of articles from the various websites and the images from the Google. My sincere gratitude to all of them. Vastu Sastra. It is a customary Hindu arrangement of engineering, which is in the real sense means study of engineering. There are writings found in the Indian subcontinent that portray standards of plan, design, estimation, ground planning, space course of action, and spatial math. Vastu Sastra joins customary Hindu and sometimes Buddhist convictions. The plans are expected to coordinate engineering with the nature, the general elements of different pieces of the structure, and old convictions using mathematical examples, evenness, and directorial arrangement. Vastu Sastra are the literary piece of Vastu Vidya, the last being the more extensive information about engineering and plan speculations from antiquated India. Vastu Vidya information is an assortment of thoughts and ideas without the help of design outlines that are not inflexible. Rather, these thoughts and ideas are models for the association of rooms and structures inside a building or apartment of a structure in view of their capacities comparable to one another, their use and the general textures of the Vastu. What is Vastu Sastra? It is in a straightforward terms we can say that Vastu plans to make amicable structure at places in order with the unstoppable force of life, so the human occupying the structures lives even and glad life. How did Vastu Sastra originate? In antiquated India's individual accepted house as a living life from the treated building as a house, as a succeedant services. Likewise, they named the soul abiding in the house as Vastu Purusha. Why? It is due to antiquated Indian story of Vastu Purusha. According to Vastu Sastra, various headings have a place with the various gods that direct separate areas of the house. For instance, God manages Ishan or Northeast heading and consequently is best responsible for a supplication room. Agni, that is the fire component, manages the Southeast heading and consequently best reasonable for a kitchen. This implies that if different areas and exercises identified with each segment of a house, office, shop, and so on stick to standards of Vastu Sastra, at that point we begin to draw the intensity of nature easily, and accomplishing objectives is simple, unconstrained, and easy. Many standards of Vastu Sastra are straightforward presence of mind, as they identify with ventilation, summon nature of a daylight, a structure gets, and so on. Be that as it may be, a few standards of Vastu Sastra identify with energy field of earth and unobstructive energy fields in characteristic and build condition. Likewise, individual livings working in such a structure have acknowledged and confirmed the impacts of these. Vastu Shastra and link to the universe. As we as whole realize, the sun is the main divine body which emanates light and heat and is the purpose behind presence of the life in the earth. That is the reason sun is known as the spirit of the universe in antiquated Indian writings. The standard of Vastu Shastra permit people to utilize boundless energy of sun is the most ideal manner. The earth, which is our contemplatory home, resembles a mother and is a treasury for all solaces and bliss which a human can't discover elsewhere. Rules of Vastu Shastra empowers human to draw on comprehensive job of Mother Earth for best outcomes. Many components oversee the life of an individual, his destiny, karma, and vastu of where he lives and works. Aside from karma of an individual, destiny and vastu influences life's quality. This is the advantage of the Vastu Shastra. Vastu directions. Orientation of the structure is imperative to save energy and to construct a superior house plan, which should be agreeable for a living at the same time gives positive energy, great well-being, thriving, and abundance to the tenants. A living spot and its heading have a relationship between the rotational situation of the planets with differences of north. There are complete 8 headings. North, south, east and west are called cardinal bearings. Furthermore, where any of the 2 headings meet is called entorn cardinal or ideal point like northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. These headings are given a ton of significances in a Vastu Shastra as they consolidate the advantage of 2 headings entirely. This images will show you the 8 directions. You can see all the 8 directions which has been shown here. North is conformed by water, south is by a fire, southwest is by earth, northwest is by air, and the central is a space. Components of the Vastu Shastra. Vastu is a study of a course that joins the 5 components of nature and universe, at last offsetting with man and the material. This strange science binding together the 5 components called as Panchabhutas: earth, fire, water, sky. What more? Space and a clearing, a root of illumination, joy and flourishing. 5 elements. According to Vastu, the universe is loaded with available energies which we should figure out how to tack it as well as keep equilibrium of the off chance that we wish to encounter a condition of prosperity. Energy is basically excluded by 2 powers, the 5 components and electro-attractive energy created by the turn of the earth. Earth is the 3rd planet among the 9 planets and the lone spot where the life exists due to the presence of Panchabhutas. Vastu for an apartment or a flat. Prior to buying a flat, some fundamental things should be considered to make things going right. Vastu suggests some fundamental tips with respect to development and course of level. In case you are keen on existing level, at that point Vastu offers rules with respect to the existing level also. There are some best passable bearings wherein mirror can be set effortlessly to maintain a strategic distance from any miss occurring in the connections and conduct. Situation of the mirror should be in agreement with the Vastu standards to receive the great rewards. Here are some basic ends and standard joined to the arrangement a mirror or a glass. Construct or a pickup flat having a passageway in north, east or northwest. Dodge primary entryway in south, southwest and southeast. Avoid buying flats with cuts in the northeast or southeast. Bearing. Drainage lines ought to have their way in west, north or northwest. Slope of the gallery should be towards the east or north. Check out the northeast corner of level as this bit should be changed or left open. Kitchen should be in the southeast way. Check or develop overhead tank in southwest and submerged tank in the north. Now let us talk about the position of the house and other rooms generally. It is some hints. Since the sun ascends in the east and is a brilliant wellspring of energy and light, your home's passageway should be preferably towards the east. In the event that your passage is now underlying some other bearing, you can make a huge window towards the east to address this issue. See, this is the type of a building which is making things. This is a 2 BHK plan which is generally making as per Vastu Shastra. Bedroom should be a south facing. For a peaceful sleep, the southwest corner is considered to be the most auspicious. So place the bed in the south, east or west corner, but never towards the north. Pick browns and greens to make your bedroom lively and earthy. See, this is the image of the south facing bedroom. Northern corner. Water components like washrooms, pools, lakes or even a RO water filtration plant unit can be put in the northern corner of your home. This will guarantee consistent monetary development. On the off chance that you don't have a carefully northern corner, go for the upper east corner. See, this is a toilet which has been located as per the Vastu. Placing the correct plants. Indoor greenery adds exuberance to the insides of the home. However, on the off chance that the seeds are being planted during the construction stage, ensure that you pick seeds which don't deliver milk. Such plant can disturb the harmony in your home. So go for a harmony lilies, cash plants or bamboos. All things has been considered. This is the images of the money plant, money tree, etc. Kitchen area. Your kitchen should be perfect, would be in southeast corner, and you should cook while confronting east. Additionally, try not to design your kitchen before the fundamental passages. Follow this excellent kitchen by kitchen producers at Kitchen Story. See, this is the image of the kitchen, how the kitchen has to be. Wind stream in living room. Try not to put furniture like seats, tables or couches such as that blocks entryways or windows in your front room. Keep your living space breezy and follow standards to have the fitting Vastu room size so you can visit with your loved ones easily. See, this is the image of the living room you can find out how those windows have been placed, how the furniture has been located. Internal colors. Pink colors for each room with care, since they can have a significant positive or negative impact on your mood. Blues, yellows, greens and whites are recommended usually by Vastu experts. See, this is a blue color bedroom. Wooden furniture. Wooden furniture ideally in standard shapes like square or a square shape and in normal sizes can acquire harmony and request your home according to standards of Vastu measurements. This is the type of the dining tables and chairs as per Vastu Shastra. Position of the doors. All doors and especially entrance doors should open at 90 degree according to Vastu. This way positive energy can enter your house effortlessly and generously. Avoid placing anything between the doors so that no obstruction can happen. This is the 90 degree opens door. Shape of the room. Square is the best shape of the room since it guarantees concordance and equilibrium. Rectangular rooms are favorable as well. Yet L molded and T-formed rooms can be destructive. Rooms in unpredictable shapes can introduce numerous concerns or even neediness. Octagonal rooms can hurt your funds, while three-sided rooms can prevent you from advancing. See, this is a square size rooms. Fitting washroom area according to the Vastu. According to the Vastu standard, this restroom should be consistently situated in the north or northwest area of the house. It should never be in the south, southwest or southeast, heading as that can negatively affect the strength of the home's occupant. This is how the washroom has to be erected. Why one should follow Vastu? Vastu considered the exchange of different powers of nature, including the 5 components of earth, water, wind, fire, and endeavors to keep up harmony. As these components impact, direct, and change the living styles of individual as well as each living being on the earth. Consequently, they impact our deeds, karma, conduct, and different nuts and bolts of our life. Vastu Shastra is the greatest clarification of our encompassing and their impact on your life. Vastu. It is a real sense implies house or a dwelling place and its standard built up to make up a concordance between the 5 components like earth, sky, fire, water, and air in the climate. Vastu Shastra brings together the science, workmanship, cosmology, and crystal gazing. It can likewise be said an antiquated spiritualist senses for planning furthermore building. Vastu Shastra causes to improve our lives and will make sure about from things turning out badly. Vastu Shastra, an antiquated structure science which covers the way of thinking, an hypothesis of architectural attempts to develop any structure and just as living styles of individual. Vastu Shastra depends on different common energies which are accessible free expanses of air like solar energy from sun, lunar energy from the moon, earth energy, sky energy, electric energy, attractive energy, thermal energy, wind energy, light energy, cosmic energy. Use of such energies give us joy, harmony, flourishing, and cash and so on in our life. Presently, we are having a national building codes which gives us certain guidelines to develop a building Though in past our procedures were having Vastu Shastra as a strict and rigorous code. According to Vastu Shastra, Purush is divine force of a building science. Thus let us implore. Subsequently, Vastu is a balanced, as it logical, it is lasting, as it depend upon headings and bearings on unchangeables. Construct your home as per the rules given by Vastu and lead a solid and a glad life. Vastu can utilize for each room, each houses, each sanctuary, each shop industry, town arranging, urban communities, and in any event. For earth, Vastu can be utilized for miniature just as a full scale level. This is the image of the Vastu compliant bungalow. Creditability of the Vastu. The greatest proof of Vastu Shastra can be found during the period of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Indeed, even the urban areas of Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, the utilization of the Vastu Shastra can be seen. Since the science goes far back to the hours of Lord Rama and Lord Krishna, there are numerous fascinating, fanciful stories concerning the starting point of Vastu Purush, the god. On the off chance that you think if it is a legendary truth, at that point there are most unimaginable models that Vastu is a science and one should follow wholeheartedly. Geographical circumstance of territory influences the nature along these lines of Vastu for each spot challenges. We see that few nations are tremendously exceptional, created and prosperous, while others are in a lot of reverse. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link is as follows. Kindly subscribe, like and share so that I can give you further more valuable presentation. Thank you once again. Kindly